I took away your credibility. So listen, Mr. David Lynn, when it comes to the attributes of your God, you said if anything is uncreated other than what is identical to God, it must be another God. Is God's wrath eternal?
That the manifestation of his wrath would actually be God's wrath, which means it would be God's person revealing his wrath. If I were to say that wrath in itself, like you having wrath or wrath by created beings, I wouldn't say that that's a manifestation of God.
He's the one who revealed God to us. He's not God the Father. We don't believe that he's God the Father. We believe that he is a man called the Messiah, called the Son of God, that reveals the invisible God. And because he perfectly reveals the invisible God, he is God with us.
You don't know me, son.